Let's turn on restream so we can see. Oh. Who the hell? Terminal invited me to a party? What? Is it? This is you, Thermal. I thought you, Thermal, wanted to hang out with me for a minute, guys. That almost made my day, dude. He was fucking checking my profile, dude. This fucking guy, dude. What up, Protoss Destroyer Ship? Welcome back. Listen, you asked if I can consistently do what I did. It's like really not that complicated to like do longer swing trade stuff. What's up, LL? Welcome to the stream, dude. Yeah. I don't know, man. Like, I feel like a lot of people think about it too like, I don't know. People have like a way too like binary view of how like stock stuff works. Okay, we'll just go check out the gold chart, right? Oh my god, this is not the chart that I want to look at. How do I get the advanced view? Did I go to the right thing? I think I went to the right thing, right? I've never bought this ever before. Why is it giving me this shitty version of this chart? I've never seen this site ever do this ever before. How do I look at the normal stocks? Dude, how do I look at the normal trading view? This is not what trading view normally looks like. What the heck, dude? I mean, that's what I went to. Chart. Oh, there we go. Okay. I was on like their main website instead. So let's look at just gold, right? Like, it's really easy to like make trades, I think, that are based around like 2 to 5 weeks, you know? Yeah, no, exactly. You don't have to do like if you want to like day trade and make like constant day trade money, that's different. But if you want to do like swing trades, like you see this was like February 13th. Yeah, this is like February 13th, right? You can look at these charts, right? And you can see like this constant like normie ass fucking movement. Like we have like consolidation periods where we have like a slow up and down kind of movement, and then we have a small sharp drop into a consolidation into a rise, and then we have a big drop off after the fucking the blow off top essentially. You can like find these moments, and it's really easy to like find the level out point, because you never want to like buy while it's on its way down. You want to find something that has fallen, that is entering consolidation, and then you buy it for like this 5 to 10% rise from this point to this point. How do I make a line? Right? So like we would come to this is gold, right? So gold is like a very stable thing. See, it's like $1,900 here, right? So we're at a low, and we would look for like a sign of strength on gold, and then look, like it went up 2%, bro, which is nothing, right? It went up like 2%, which is fucking legitimately nothing. How did I get multiple indicators? Delete. How did I get multiple indicators? Stop doing that. Okay, there we go. So yeah, like when you make like trades, right? You see this is on the 14th, and this is like 4 days later. You can't like perfectly time the top, but you can always like find stuff like this where things have like corrected and then are in a consolidation point, and you can like make a hedged bet where you will like probably only make like 5 to 10%, maybe, right? Because if we look, right, this is like not a lot, you know. This is really not a big rise. This is like 2%. But if you have like $5,000 and you buy gold at this low over here when it had its turnaround point, right? Because you can tell off of the consolidation point that it's having like a turnaround, you know, because like it had like a big correction, and then it's consolidating and it drops a little bit. So this is like negligible price action, but you could see this turnaround here and know that it's going above previous low, right? Because it hit a low and then it was unable to break past its previous high, which is over here, and then it hit the lower low, and then it came up for a higher high, right? Like because it broke the resistance of this higher high, so you know it's gonna like have like an upward consolidation period. So you don't have to like make stupidly risky bets or anything like that. Like it doesn't make any sense to like yeah, no. It's easy to assume that the asset prices will always trend upwards. Uh where's the at? Yeah, so if we do the S&P 500, right? Like this is just like the biggest stock fund in the fucking world, you know? And like here's October 2023. Where's like the pandemic? Let's put it on like a day, right? Like this is 2020, right? This is like the pandemic's like low point was here. Oh my god, please let me move the chart. So we had like 2018, and then we had 2019, and we had this fucking meteoric rise because of the pandemic. And then at this point, right, it fell from like the top to the bottom. There's like a 35% dip in the S&P 500, which is insane, by the way, right? Like a 35% dip for like a fund like this is a loss of billions of dollars, right? This is a loss of like billions of dollars. But if you zoom out far enough, right? Like this only goes up. This is only gone up. And the only reason that it would ever just die, right? Like the only reason that the stock market would ever go down for a prolonged period of time would be if the US economy was literally going to just tank and we were going to dissolve as a country. Like, do you believe that the US economy is going to tank and dissolve as a country? So, yeah, like, imagine you're like here at this point and you see this massive dip in assets, right? Billions of dollars. We've gone down 35%. This is the S&P 500. They're an index fund that holds stock in only they hold stock in like the like biggest tech stocks in the world. Apple, fucking Tesla, Microsoft. Like that's what all these people's holdings are like just the most valuable stocks in the entire world. So if you're smart, you would see this massive dumper and you would start dollar cost averaging, right? Like every time it went down 15 to 20%, you would buy, and then it goes down 15 to 20% and you buy more, and then it goes down 15 to 20% and you buy more. And then when you see the trend switch finally, right? When you finally see the trend switch, you've bought all the way down on this, right? And then you buy as it goes up. And then when it hits like a real fucking peak, and we can figure out peaks from Fibonacci retracement stuff. I know that this is like something that a lot of people would frown upon, but I think that the Fibonacci retracement shit is pretty sick. So you can put the Fibonacci retracement thing at the highest, the previous high, right? So this is the previous high, and we've put this at the previous low, and you can see positions of, oh, why did it disappear? You can see positions of previous resistance and previous support, right? So you can see that on its way down, it hit points of support and it tried to bounce, and then it broke through, and then it hit support and it bounced back up and hit the resistance, and then it fell back down, right? So it's not hard to look at shit like this and make really basic assumptions where you like if I had been looking at this then, right? If I had been looking at this then, I probably would have looked at this dump right here and seen the market trend reversal. And if you had like $10,000, you could make a day trade where you buy at a low point here and then sell at a high point for like a 2% fucking increase, and you would make $300 or $400 for the day. And then you just sell out when it hits this resistance point, because it's obvious that there's like a resistance point when it's like dumping right here. But then it hit the resistance, it fell back to the support, and it fell through the support, and it went through this support, but it came back up and tried to go back up to the resistance point, and it failed, and it hit the resistance point here, and it fell back to the support point, and it tried to bounce off the support point, but it fell back down. Like you can see how like the fib retracement thing, it gives you like a feeling of comfort, you know. It gives you like a small feeling of comfort to look at this kind of shit, and you can know that like when the low happens, right? You can find the low, and if I was at this time here, right? We've found this low, right? Imagine that we have the chart here and we don't know what comes next after this point, right? We don't know what comes next after this point. What do you think most traders would think, not knowing what comes next on the chart, right? What do you think happens next on the chart, right? Like it's going to hit the resistance point and it's going to bounce back down to the low, right? And then it hits the support point and it bounces back up to the high, right? So it's not like you don't have to make risky trades or be a genius to make fucking stock and crypto trades. And I think that that's like the thing that it scares a lot of people off. They think they have to be like a fucking numbers genius or a guru. It's like, no, you just need to not be fucking like, you need to not be dumb, you know, like, and not be greedy. You need to understand when you're greedy, and you need to understand when you're like worried about losing money. The stock market won't stop going down until they stop printing money. And that's the thing. They're never going to stop printing money. How long have you been trading? I didn't start actively reading about how to do trading strategies until like 2016, 2017. All trades are risky because the companies don't owe you anything. Yeah, that's absolutely true. That's absolutely true. Where do I sign up for the course? I'm not a financial advisor. Never pay me anything for financial advice. Welcome to the stream, Chavo. Archetype Mad, welcome back. I came in to say that you were right about what? What's up, Darth Beebus? Welcome back, dude. Welcome to the dumpster. But yeah, no, I haven't been doing trading stuff for that long, right? Like in 2016, I got really lucky with crypto. Frost Giant and not announcing the third race. Oh yeah, no, I was right. Oh no, what did they announce? What did they even announce, bro? Their next test is not until April next month. Fuck. Oh my god, they're definitely not gonna have the third faction for April, bro. There's no way. There's no way they'll have the next faction for April. I wish, but I don't think so, dude. I trade Forex personally, just double tops and double bottoms in the H4. You know, you could talk to Trader Joe about this, and he probably has some pretty strong opinions on Forex trading because he tried to convince me to do that. But I'm the kind of person where like I understand that my like investment level is not high enough. When you have like under $10,000 to invest, well, I guess I could say if you have like under $5,000 to invest, it is incredibly difficult to make money on trades that give you less than 10% increases, you know? Because when you buy a stock or crypto, you pay a fee. And if you can't make more than what the fee is on your trade, then your trade was pointless, right? So, and if you have like fucking $10,000 to throw on trades when you do trades, you can reliably make money off of like 2 to 5% increases. But when you only have like $500 to $1,000 to like put on trades, you have to like make 15 to 20% on a trade for it to be worth it. And don't even get me started on taxes. Yeah, that's another thing that really sucks. That's another thing that really sucks. Okay, let me close this trading view thing. Let me go sign up for the ESL Cup, guys. Oh, excuse me. You gonna go outside? The piggy needs to go outside. Her time is now. Let me sign up for the ESL Cup. And then I will go take the piggy outside. She's like, I gotta go to the bathroom. I gotta go to the bathroom, dude. Okay. You got 4 hours? Holy shit, okay. Is the Europe one already running? Yeah, the Europe one's already running. I missed it. When did that start? It must have started like 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago. Okay. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go let the dog outside, and then I'll play some games on the EU server. But yeah, no, like, I'm not worried too much about like trading and stuff like that, and it's mainly because I just don't have more money invested than I'm comfortable losing. That's kind of like how I run my trading schemes and ideas. Is like any money that any money that I put into like stocks or crypto, in my mind I write it off like this money is lost, like I'm not a professional trader and I don't know what I'm doing. This money is lost, and I am really thankful that I understand how to do paper trading. I downloaded the Webull desktop app like 3 years ago, and I haven't used it super actively, but paper trading is fantastic. Like you just like you like trade with fake money, and you get to track your fucking trades, and you get to see when you're wrong and when you're right without risking your fucking ass, and it does help a lot to like build your confidence over time on trading when you do the paper trading stuff. And for anybody who wants to do stock investment shit, I absolutely 100% suggest that you get into what paper trading can do for you before you start betting your money. Gambling. Yep. Gambling. It's just like StarCraft. It's just like StarCraft. It's just gambling, bro. It's just gambling. All right, let me go take the dog outside. You need to go outside? Come on. I thought Stormgate was releasing in July. How could they possibly have it finished by then? They won't. They said that they'll have early access. Dude, my webcam keeps getting desynced from my sound. I don't know why I keep getting, like, delay on my webcam. What is this? Does anybody know why this is happening? Does anyone know why this is happening? I don't understand why this is happening. I thought it was me. No, it's been happening for days. I don't understand why it's happening. If I deactivate it and reactivate it, it's fixed. But at some point or another, it starts to get delay again, and I don't know why. I guess I have buffering enabled. Let's turn that off. What up, Yosef? I thought you sucked. What the fuck? I don't know. You're top 50 GM in StarCraft? Yeah, I've been top 50 for a long ass time now. At least that's what it feels like, because it's been top 50 for a long ass time. But I'm top 50 on North America, which everyone would have you believe is dog shit level. Yo, you're up early, dude. 5 pogs. 5 pogs, dude. Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah, brother. He was #1 on his hidden Korean account. Facts, dude. I just like sandbag super hard so that I can show up to an ESL major tournament one day. I just sandbag hella hard so I can show up to an ESL major and like sweep Cyril in the grand finals 4-0. Hup is literally max packs. The only people left are mechanical chads. That's true. Destroyer. What up, dude?
Sup, Goober?
What up, Goober? The 53-month resub from my boy Stroyer. Welcome back, dude. Let's run the prediction. Hup, win or nah? Just like the gravy seals, dude. Good morning, handsome. Oh, so now he's trying to butter me up, dude. Oh, shit. Thriving. Do you just stay awake for the next 12 hours until you want to stream, or are you about to go to bed? And that hand gesture you did made it look like you were forcing him to give you head. Yeah, dude. Oh, no. I go to sleep in 3 hours. Oh, and then you stream like right when you wake up. Wow, okay. That's true dedication, dude. Unfortunately for me, I feel like I need a few hours. And no forcing required, bro. Destroyer's my bro. He's like, my bro needs some head. He's stressed out from a long day at work. Ads. Let me snooze the ads.
Hop, I believe that everyone should invest in my new crypto Trump coin. It will be the best coin. It will when I totally done. Needed for the debt I need to pay off.
I'm still laughing about the fucking clip from yesterday. Fucking who was it? With it was like, this is Biden. Fucking. No one will fucking ever. America will never recover from the Depression era fucking policies that I've enacted. This guy's mad. He's like, no, don't steal my minerals. Dude, I don't have the APM right now for that. Thanks for the 53 months, baby. Mwah, beautiful. Beautiful, dude. I'm out of this bitch, dude. Those my minerals. I'm out of this bitch. This guy's having a good time playing StarCraft. What the heck? It completely froze for me for a second. The stream. Oh, yeah, it is totally frozen. Fuck. I'll need to restart the stream.
We serve with pride. Glory to the Daylon.
Game paused.
Oh, yeah, it's doing this fucky shit. I can see you and hear you now. It's fine. I just refreshed the page. Yeah, but it's just gonna keep fucking, it's just gonna keep disconnecting, so I'm gonna just restart it. Okay, everybody? I'll be